Windows and doors are essential elements of any home, offering security, insulation, and aesthetic appeal. However, homes in Salt Lake City face unique environmental challenges that can lead to specific problems with these components. From fluctuating weather conditions to the city's elevation and occasional seismic activity, understanding these issues and knowing how to address them can save homeowners time, money, and frustration. Drafty windows and doors is the problem. Salt Lake City's cold winters and hot summers can make drafty windows and doors a major issue. Gaps in seals or deteriorating weather stripping allow air to seep in, reducing your home's energy efficiency and driving up heating and cooling costs. The solution: inspect and replace weather stripping. Regularly check for worn or damaged weather stripping. Replace it with high-quality materials designed for Salt Lake's variable climate. Apply caulking. Use weather-resistant caulk around window frames and door edges to seal cracks. Upgrade to energy-efficient models. Consider installing double or triple pane windows with low emissivity, low-E coatings to enhance insulation. Condensation between window panes is the problem. Condensation or fogging between window panes occurs when the seal of a double or triple pane window fails. This issue is particularly common in Salt Lake City due to temperature fluctuations and humidity changes. The solution: check warranty coverage. Many window manufacturers offer warranties for seal failure. If your windows are still under warranty, you may be eligible for a free replacement. Replace the insulated glass unit, IGU. Instead of replacing the entire window, you can replace the IGU to restore its efficiency at a lower cost. Upgrade to modern windows. Newer models often feature improved sealant technology, reducing the likelihood of future issues. Sticky or misaligned doors is the problem. Salt Lake's changing humidity levels and the potential for minor seismic activity can cause wooden doors to expand, contract, or misalign. This leads to doors that stick or fail to close properly. The solution: adjust hinges. Tighten loose hinges or use shims to align the door correctly. Plane the edges. If swelling is the issue, sand or plane the edges of the door to ensure smooth operation. Invest in composite or metal doors. These materials are less prone to expansion and contraction, offering a longer-term solution. Cracked or broken glass is the problem. Heavy snowstorms, hail, or accidental impacts can result in cracked or broken window or door glass. Cracked glass is not only a safety hazard but also compromises insulation. The solution: replace the glass. For small cracks, repair kits are available, but larger damage often necessitates a full glass replacement. Install protective screens. Consider adding storm windows or protective screens to shield your glass from damage. Choose tempered or laminated glass. These options offer enhanced durability and safety. Fading and peeling frames is the problem. Exposure to Salt Lake City's intense sun and occasional snow can cause window and door frames to fade, peel, or warp, particularly those made from wood or lower quality materials. The solution: repaint or refinish frames. Use UV-resistant paint or stain to restore the appearance of wooden frames and provide additional protection. Seal the wood. Apply a weather-resistant sealant to prevent moisture infiltration. Upgrade to vinyl or aluminum frames. These materials are more durable and require less maintenance in Salt Lake's climate. Poor sound insulation. The problem. Salt Lake's urban growth has brought increased noise pollution. If your windows and doors fail to block external noise, it could be due to thin glass or improper installation. The solution: add soundproofing layers, use acoustic panels or install heavier curtains. Upgrade to laminated glass. This glass type dampens sound effectively. Ensure proper installation. Poorly installed windows and doors can leave gaps that let sound in. Professional installation is key. Damage from seismic activity. The problem. Salt Lake City's location in a seismically active area means occasional earthquakes can stress window and door frames, leading to cracks, warping, or misalignment. The solution: inspect after quakes. After seismic events, check for visible damage or subtle misalignments. Strengthen frames. Reinforce window and door frames with brackets or plates to improve resilience. Consult professionals. For extensive damage, seek expert advice to ensure safety and proper repairs. Conclusion: windows and doors in Salt Lake City endure unique environmental pressures, from freezing winters to seismic activity. Regular maintenance and timely repairs can help you address common problems like drafts, condensation, and frame damage. For long-term solutions, investing in high-quality, climate-appropriate materials is essential. When in doubt, consult local experts who understand the specific challenges of Salt Lake's environment and can provide tailored advice. By taking proactive steps, you can ensure that your windows and doors remain functional, efficient, and aesthetically pleasing for years to come.